Why, hello everyone. I'm Aaron and welcome to Prairie Sunset Ranch. If you haven't done so, subscribe. Hit that like button, hit that thumbs up if you like this video. It means a lot to us YouTubers. Share this with your friends or family. Hit that chime notification. Anyways, we had a busy couple days here at the ranch. We're making hay, as you know. So we've been cutting, raking, and baling. Hit repeat. Any day of the week, I'll be doing one of those for sure. So anyways, enough talk, enough chit chat. I'll go show you how we make hay. So got the hay rake hooked up. Took the loader off the 6110. And we're off to the races. Let's go see what kind of hay we can rake up. Dried out here. I got to it's good to toss this over, get the bottom some of this nice wind and sun. What a perfect day for drying. Boy, if we didn't have a rain coming, I would have cut this entire field both sides down, the front and back, because it really dried nice out here. This is what I was talking about. It just seems to dry so quick when that wind blows. It's a game changer. So yeah, no, it's going pretty good. I think Dad's on his way, so we'll be hooking up to the baler right away. I'm gonna just do the boundary or the outside here, and then I'm gonna go back and forth. So finished up 1, 2, 3, 4 passes here on this higher part. It's doing an okay job. It's leaving a little bit of hay there, if you could see it. I'm not sure, maybe there's not enough ground pressure, but I like to have it just so it's scraping the ground. Could just be the fine grasses that are in here, not really sure, but I'm gonna have to research that after. Otherwise it's doing a pretty good job. But I'm gonna be almost done here. I'm gonna probably head back, go hook up the baler. I think my dad just arrived, so then we'll kick this process into high gear, get the baler hooked up, and let's see what comes out. Let's hope the baler works. So I'm going about 17 RPM, 1700 RPM, and we're probably going to be at the required size right now. So we'll stop. Oh, they're starting to wrap. Well, let's go see everyone what we got here for a bale. Yeah, it's a little small. The strings are pretty far apart. Not the nicest looking bale I've ever seen, but it's the first bale of the year. Yes, people, please don't judge me. she's not pretty, but hey, it's all the same on the inside. So it feels like feels soft. I might have to set the hydraulic tension a little more. Definitely got to put the twine closer together. This isn't enough twine to really repel water, to move this. Once you start moving this bale around, it'll be a nightmare. And yeah, so time to fine-tune the computer. Totally the computer's fault. I'm blaming this 100% on the monitor. It always takes me a few bales to get everything corrected. You know, at times it takes about 5-10 bales to get everything mint. Well, first official breakdown. See that? There's no chain. Chain's here. Came off, so Dad went to get the link. I think just the link let loose. Not a huge deal. We'll be back on the path of these bales in a probably half hour, 20 minutes, but daylight's burning. Have a few left, so we'll keep you posted. This big windrow we gotta eat up. Damn it, I hate being down for something so silly. Well, I climbed onto the front of the baler and I draped that chain back over. I think it's on right now. So Dad just went to grab the ATV and a chain link. We just lost the link on it, so not a big deal, no damage done. Should be back in action in 10 minutes, 15, so I guess just you expect these kind of things. So all right, I'll keep you posted. Look at these crazy big windrows. They're pretty high. You can't really tell from here, but they're I'm sure the tractor's pushing it. But it's hard to make nice bales with these big windrows, especially if there's not a V-Rake making a uniform row. But I seem to be doing pretty good with it, so baler's working good now. I don't want to jinx myself. We got that chain link fixed, so it's golden. Get this done before dark. I hope. Well, sun's going down. We're almost done here. Baler hasn't missed a beat since that chain, so been eating up these big windrows. So it's been a good day. We'll see what the final count is. We'll take a look at a few of the bales right away here when I finish. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I finished up baling. We were behind about an hour and a half because we had that chain break. We actually ended up pulling a chain off of my old John Deere 530 baler. We have 2 extras there. So we took the chain off there and just swapped out the chain. We're gonna have to go match up the link. It looked like mine, it actually was stretched. So swap that out. So we made 60 big bales, probably between, I'd say 1,250 pounds and 1,350, let's say, pounds. So let's say roughly 1,300 pounds a bale. A couple were bigger than others. This isn't actually a big one, but it's well formed. A little dark. We'll take a peek at it tomorrow in the light, but yeah, all in all, a good day. 60 bales in a couple, I don't know how long was I out there, 4 hours, whatever. A bale's a bale. So last year we'd have to cut about triple what we cut here to get the same amount of hay or forage. So it's a good day. It's a good day. Well, thank you to all my new and my old subscribers for watching, and we'll catch you soon on the next video. Cheers for now from all of us here at Prairie Sunset Ranch. Bye for now.